Hello everyone, this time we are with a Samsung Diamond Room washing machine that has been the turbo drum, practically the same parts and everything. Excuse me, I am a little noised because there are trucks passing outside and everything, but I am in my workshop. This washing machine presents an error. Which is the EU error and not centrifuge. Let's see, this is the EU error. Remember that if you like my content, support me with a like and a subscription, even if you don't activate the bell, but a subscription would be greatly appreciated. Any doubt you can leave in the comments, I always try to. Answer everything in the videos, but also if you can help each other and comment on each other, then go ahead. You can see the EU error. I say well EU, which is practically the same. This error is this good in English. It is error. A balance means that it is. In theory, the tub unbalanced. This can be corrected by leveling your tub well, and if it is not corrected, then what you have to do is this, what I am going to show you below, because it is already given in a piece. To disassemble it, we need to remove these two screws in the part. From the back, this one here and that one there, we're going to proceed to remove them. If my shots are not very good and my editing isn't either, it's because not so much that I don't know, but the truth, I make the videos so that I can give you a solution, but well, no, I can't also dedicate a lot of time to it because I have to be repairing appliances. It's only upwards, but it has some small staples, so you have to know how to vote for them. More abrupt, more careful. Well, yes, the mistake he has here is look, in first he brings it disconnected, that maybe a technician went to take it away, because wanting to take out a Lanita, he is not going to connect it. Let's see if it was that it was good, but I don't think. All these types of washing machines are good, but it is also very easily damaged. This insurance, if you fix the error, it still has it, which is the error. This is the error. As I tell you from a balance, that means that this insurance here does not work, you know. They can change it or they can cancel it. That there is no problem if you cancel it. This is just from the balancing, but in this case, well, it is a workshop here, so we are going to put it. I don't know, I don't have it right now, but I am not diagnosing, but we are going to. Test it as if the annular, this is the one that damaged this piece. This piece, if you look, it had stayed. If it no longer works, this piece is flat out, it is no longer useful. Then we are going to do a test, for example bridging the cables, so that you can see that if you can. This error is very common. This error is not going to be confused with the door lock. This error is different from the door lock. I recommend you watch the full videos, because in another video that I have uploaded, they ask me things that I say in the video, so I don't say them. Go, and then if you are going to comment on something that is probably in the video, maybe it will take a little longer to respond because I answer more to those who ask me something that may not be in the video. No. I can. I'm going to put a little cable on it in the meantime. Well, right now the solution that I am going to make temporary is I am going to put an alligator, and this is the error of balance or EU. We are going to test now with the washing machine to see how it is already. Is working, and if you look at it is bridged if. You can notice it because it is already working. Sorry, he grabbed the camera. If you notice that the spotlights are flashing, that is, they are not flashing, it is that the camera gravels that even detects the flickers then, but it is not doing it, that is, I see it and it does not do it, the only thing that flashes is the unentangled that is making it normal. All the others are like this right now. Well, and if you notice it is working, look, and this is still bridged. What happens if I remove it? Look, it stops in UE because they have already solved the error of a balance sheet or the EU error here too. There is another thing I want to tell you. That if you want to cancel it, you can do it without a problem. I'm going to change it, but I don't have it right now. You can do it without a problem. You will probably say no, but if I cancel it, the door lock will stop working. Well, no, these are different errors. Look. Is working. Well, right now he is going to start working. He is still bridged and he has already started working, and the door error is another. Look, you saw, then you will have the same security then. Well, I hope you liked it. If you liked it, like, comment, share, subscribe, and well, there was also another little thing that I wanted to tell you. Well, it is always over the fails with me. I ran out of camera battery, but well, it is already working, and I just wanted to tell those who are up to the last that all those types of spare parts, if you like, I can sell them to you, and at a price not so expensive, that is, practically nothing more than the cost of the party and the cost of shipping, that is, me, to do them the favor. It's just a thing, just tell me if they are really interested in it and that. And I give you the link to open an online store of Mercado Libre, and on that I start to sell you all those types of pieces, and you like them. If not, there is no problem, you can buy it wherever you want. I say it because there are many people who love me. They say that in their areas they do not sell those types of parts that do not exist then, and on the internet the truth is that there are many who sell them very expensive, or there are none then, and another if they buy them directly with me then I can give them a guarantee. I am telling them how it is installed. I would provide you with the part and a guarantee of the part in case it goes wrong. Well, now I hope you liked it. See you until next time, and ciao.